Hi everyone. So today I'm here to talk about my Dirt Devil Cleaning Path vacuum cleaner. This is a bagless upright vacuum cleaner and we got it at a reasonable price. I'm going to show you a few features of this vacuum cleaner. We've had this vacuum cleaner for about 5 years. So the first feature that I'm going to show you is the bagless dust cup. This is the container that the dirt and debris will stay in until you empty it. It offers cyclonic filtration. When you press this lever on top, the dirt will empty out the bottom and into the trash barrel. Down here, you will see a motor filter, and this filter should be cleaned once every time you use it. And we do that to keep the vacuum cleaner running at optimum suction for a long time, because if you don't clean your filters and you don't empty your dust cup on a regular basis, it will impact your suction level, and that means that it will be harder for you to pick up dirt when you're vacuuming. Now, while you're vacuuming, it is also very important to have your brush wheel set to the right height adjustment. This is a traditional height adjustment lever. Bare floors is number 1 and high pile carpet is number 5. In the middle, number 3 would be medium pile carpet, and low pile carpet will probably be number 2. So any type of surface in your house will fall into one of those categories. You see this tile here that I'm videoing, that would be a bare floor surface, and you would just move this tile accordingly to the surface that you're going to be vacuuming. There are some vacuum cleaners out there that offer automatic height adjustment, but this is not one of those vacuums. The cleaning path for this vacuum is 12 inches. So that is about a ruler's width, when you're vacuuming. So maybe like if it was the width of one of these tops. So this covers the front of the vacuum. As far as the back side of the vacuum, one of the features that you are probably going to hear about if you ever search online for a vacuum cleaner is the ergonomic handle. So an ergonomic handle resembles a gas pump. You're able to easily grip it, and you're able to move your vacuum cleaner around as you would when you're vacuuming. And then directly below that will be the cord hook. This vacuum cleaner has a manual cord hook. Some vacuum cleaners, like the Eureka upright vacuum cleaners, not all of them, but some of them, have an automatic cord wrap that coils cord directly into the vacuum, so you don't have this mess hanging here. But this is a manual cord wrap system. So you have a cord hook here, and then you have a hook all the way down here, and you're supposed to wrap it around, and that is how you keep your cord stored when you're not using this vacuum. While they're not pictured here, there are some onboard tools that will come with this vacuum. It will usually come with a couple of extension wands, a dusting brush, a crevice tool, and a upholstery tool. And those tools are used to get in between tight spaces, to get in crevices, furniture, to clean delicate drapes, any type of small cleaning activity you need to do. Those onboard tools will help you achieve those goals. While they're not pictured here, they will definitely be included when you purchase this vacuum. When you have, a tight space to get to, you may also want to use this hose to help you. It's a very flexible hose, and you just take it out, you put an extension wand onto it and any type of tool you want, such as a crevice tool, and you will have a very long extended reach to be able to get where you need to clean. Thinking about other features here, right here down below is the handle release. So if you just tap that right here, this vacuum cleaner is going to go all the way back, and you're going to be able to clean where you need to clean, and then it's going to snap back into place, you know, just like that. This is the power button. I'm not going to press it right now because I don't have the vacuum cleaner plugged in, but you can easily press it with your foot and you're ready to start vacuuming. Looking around for some other features on this vacuum cleaner. It is a pretty simple vacuum cleaner, so there isn't a whole lot of bells and whistles, and there's not a lot of automatic functionality to this vacuum, but still it's a really great vacuum all the same. It will allow you to clean your home accurately. You know, a lot of people like to dust up because they're able to see the dirt. They're able to see the results after they have vacuumed. And that is something that many people find of value versus a bag vacuum cleaner where you just throw the bag away and you don't see the results that your vacuum is putting forth. So this is just a quick review of our Dirt Devil Clean Path vacuum cleaner, and I hope you enjoy it.